welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Good to see you back. And yeah, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please do press the subscribe button and do like this video and do leave any comments that you might have down below. So anyway, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are vlogging. So we are vlogging for a few days. Actually guys, I wasn't planning on doing anything for YouTube this week because I've been feeling so down. Like I've been feeling like shit. I don't like swearing. I haven't been feeling so good. And my week was just a bit slow this week. Firstly, my son had flu. Like he caught the flu, I think, on Saturday. So on Sunday he was sick. On Monday he was sick. Tuesday was sick. Wednesday he felt better. So basically, my week started yesterday. So today is Thursday, so it started yesterday on Wednesday. Yeah, so I didn't want to vlog at all or do anything for YouTube because I've just been feeling down. I'm not down because of matata or I've got problems. No, I started King Dinero's magic diet on Tuesday. And it's challenging me in every way. Like that diet, you can't eat anything. Basically, you are starving. For those of you who doesn't know about the diet or you've never heard about the diet, King Dinero is on Instagram and she's got a magic diet that she's come up with, and it's a 21 days diet, and basically you starve. Like you starve, like you literally starve and drink a lot of water. So today I woke up feeling really crappy. I wanted to cry because it's what I get like, guys. I'm weak. I want to eat. I want chocolate. I want burger. I want ribs. Give it la savannah, and I can't have that for 21 days. So that's the reason why I've been feeling a little bit down. But anyway, I decided to snap out of it and just come back and just do my thing. So the plan for today. What time is it? I think it's almost 12. The plan for today is I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna go to Eastern Mall to look for an outfit for Saturday, because on Saturday I'm going to a birthday dinner, and then also I'm going to carry out some packages as always. I do have a few packages, and also I'm trying out new packaging. Isn't it pretty? Like I feel like it's pretty, it's simple, it's clean. Maybe the sticker should be a little bit bigger, but so far I like it. The box is very strong. I was only gonna start this couple when I reached 10K on my page, but I decided let me just use these boxes because I already folded them and I keep on moving them from place to place, so I'm just gonna make use of them. So yeah, that is what is happening today. Earlier on I went to driving lessons. It was okay. It was my 8th lesson. It was okay. Like it was just okay. So yeah, as you can see, I'm looking all crusty. I feel like I'm looking crusty. I don't have makeup on. I don't have anything on. Just the earrings, lip gloss. I got my natural hair out. I'm not gonna do my hair tomorrow and probably try to do my toes tomorrow because they're looking like the ghetto. So anyway, let me stop talking so much and let's go to the mall. I haven't been to the mall in a long time, so I'm so excited. Let's go to the mall and see what we get. The theme of the birthday dinner is nude, and yesterday I struggled to find anything nude to go China Mall. I thought I was gonna find something very cheap, but honey, I didn't find anything. So are you Israel Mall, guys? Are you in Israel Mall? I what?
What is school?
Is for you.
Woohoo.
It's for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back from the mall. Say hi, Tshiri. Say hi.
Hi.
As you can see, I am tired. My eyes are red. I'm so tired. Okay, thank you.
It's a car.
It's not a car. Let me show you what it does. So I went to Cotton On and I bought Tshiri some underwear. Some underwear for you. Some underwear. And then I got to buy this toy. This toy.
Give me a toy.
For 50%.
What is it?
Where is it? Where did you take the toy? Here it is.
Is it what?
Mommy needs to open it for you.
Open it.
Guys, welcome back. Today is Friday. I think yesterday I left you guys whilst I was still cooking in the kitchen, and then my battery went low, so I charged it back. I was not in the mood to record anything because I was exhausted. Like, I was so exhausted yesterday. My eyes were red. Like, I was so exhausted. I think because I was at the mall the whole day looking for a nude outfit. So yeah, today I feel much better. I feel much rested, and I woke up very early. I set the alarm to wake me up at 6:30 because Tshiri didn't go to school today. Apparently he had a runny nose at school, so I've kept him home today. I set the alarm to wake me up at 6:30, but by 6 I was already up. I then washed my makeup brushes because I had to wash them today. I had no choice. I had to wash them today. What else? Yeah, mainly I've just washed my makeup brushes, and then now I'm gonna prepare some breakfast for Tshiri. He is going to have some flapjacks. Gonna have some flapjacks. I bought these from Woolies. They were 19 rand, and there are 6 flapjacks.
Hi, you just said no. I'm watching Mickey Mouse.
You wanna say hi? Come say hi. Come say hi. Anyway, so it's 6.
Okay,
You want to say hi?
okay. It's my cake. Hey, what are you doing that cake?
It's your pancakes.
Yes.
You want to show YouTube channel?
Just my cake.
Where did mommy buy the pancakes for you?
At Woolworths.
At Woolworths?
Yes.
How do you know? Where's Woolworths? Show us Woolworths.
What is...
Let me help you. Oh, lots of honey for Tshiri.
It tastes nice.
Hey?
It tastes nice.
It tastes nice.
Mm.
What tastes nice?
Honey.
Do you want to taste like the pancake? Taste the pancake?
Honey.
Taste pancake. Let's see if you like the pancake. Taste the pancake. Eat the... No, I don't want to taste. Eat the pancake.
Mm.
Eat the pancake. Pancake. Oh, so you want to only eat honey? Eat your pancake. Do you want mommy to help you? Take one with honey. Is it nice? Hey guys, so Tshiri was having his breakfast. So whilst he's having his breakfast, I thought I should show you some of the stuff that I bought yesterday when I went to the mall. It's not a lot of stuff, just a few stuff. So I first of all went to buy this. It's a Kim picks. That's what king. Let's see what they've written. Tape. Okay, Kim picks owner. I bought this at Pep, not Pep, the way Mutarata Pep, go Mr. Price home, because ours just looks wretched. It doesn't look cute at all. And then I added on by buying the packs because they are shorter. This was 79 rand 99, so 80 rand, and this was 59.99, which is 60 rand. This is so cute because it already comes got this little thing, so you just, when you hang the packs, you just hang it on the washing line. Isn't that cute? And then I went to Discam. Good Discam. No, it's still Mr. Price. Also at Mr. Price, I bought this room mist. It's vanilla, like a room spray, like for your linen and just for the room to smell nice. The funny thing about this is that I cannot smell. I can't smell anything. Like I don't have any, like my smell sense, I don't have it. It's amazing. I think it's amazing corona. Well, I never got tested for corona, but because I lost my smell and my taste senses, so I figured I had it. It's been since when? From December, so it's like been months now. And then okay, at Discam I went and I bought just a few things, not too many things. I started off with this. I've been wanting to buy this for such a long time. It's a bronzer from Revlon. It cost, how much did it cost? It cost, I think it's 202. I can't find the slip anymore. And the color, what is the color? Glided Llama. Okay, I don't know if that's the color, but I'm going to 120. Yeah, I've been wanting to buy this. So I had like 3 clients getting makeup last week Saturday. I don't do makeup, but people always ask me, and when they do ask me, I do it. And they paid me, so I thought I should just buy makeup with that money. And then I bought concealer because mine is finished. This is LA Girls Pro Concealer, of course, in the color Almond. And then this was on sale. I don't know what was the original price, but it was a sale, and I bought it for 60 rand. It's a contour and highlight kit. Usually to contour I use eyeshadow, like a dark brown eyeshadow. So I thought, you know what, because that dark brown eyeshadow, let me just buy this. Got that for 60 rand. And then of course I bought a lip gloss, which is my favorite. I still have some, but whenever I see this I buy it. I usually buy like 3 or 2, but yesterday I just bought 1 because I already have. And then at Cotton On I bought undies for Tshiri. I bought undies for Tshiri. So it's a pack of 5 undies for 150 rand. I really love these undies. They look very stylish. Especially this one. This one is my favorite. With the cars, and they look very strong. I like the band. It's very cute. This is also my favorite color. And the 5th one, he cried to wear it after he saw that I bought him new undies. So yeah. And then I went to Barking, Campbox. I think it's Campbox. Yeah, I went to Campbox and I bought this the 1-year inspirational words of Jesus for women. So it's like an inspirational book, kind of like devotion book. Well, I'm a bit too late because it's on my kadi month, so like in early January, like in early months, legit date. So today we are on the 5th of March. Ne? 5th of March. 5th of March. It's like a really cool book, I think. You know, I don't really like reading. I like to read things that are short, sweet, and straight to the point. So I figured this would be good. March 5th. How to handle the hurts. Okay, so I haven't read it today. The plan is to read this before I get out of bed. So before I get out of bed, I'm going to just read what it has for the day. So it's not long, really. Like, it's not long, so I think I can manage that. I actually bought two. This other one I'm going to gift somebody. This was 70 rand, and before it was 340 rand. So it was on sale for 70 rand at Camp Books. And then for Tshiri, guys, for Tshiri, I bought him this. It's an educational Bible book. Ne? You get to learn about the Bible and also get to learn how to write and how to read and write. So it's in Sutu. I bought this in Sutu because a lot of people think Tshireletso ha kgone ho bolela Sotho or Sepedi. Wow, we are Pedi, but I could find a Sotho one, and that's pretty close to Sepedi. So many people think that Tshireletso ha kgone ho bolela Sepedi. Tshireletso actually speaks very, very good Sepedi. O bolela Sepedi se sharp. So I bought him this. I think it's pretty cool. It comes with this. What is this? I don't know what you do here. Moya. Do you cut? I'm not sure what you do, but I'll figure. Welcome back. It is what time? What time is it? It's almost, I think, 5 o'clock. 5 in the afternoon, of course. I've literally been cleaning all day from morning till now, and then I just refreshed. And I took a bath again and changed because I was sweaty from all the cleaning. Thank you, Tshiri. You're so kind. Thank you for the biscuits. But you can eat it.
Yes.
You can eat it. So yeah, I basically cleaned all day. So now it's like in the afternoon. I'm just gonna relax and chill out. Actually, I wanted to go the line because I want to wear a wig tomorrow to the birthday dinner.
Hi, YouTube channel.
Hi, Tshiri. So if my mom comes back early or anytime from now,
I'm not talking to you.
I'm gonna do that.
This is picture.
I want to do the peanut butter poo prank on
this picture.
Yes, it's a picture on him. I don't know if that's gonna work out because so peanut butter home. Tshiri, don't you wanna go watch TV?
Huh?
Don't you wanna go watch TV?
No.
Yeah, so basically Tshirelezo, come here. Tshirelezo, please come here. I'm inside the bathroom.
Inside.
Yes.
No. I'm not.
Hey.
Hello.
Please pass mommy the tissue.
Okay. I'll pass it.
Thank you. Oh, what's that?
Duck.
There.
Oh. Oh. What is this?
I don't know.
Duck.
Let me see.
Macaca.
Let me see. Oh. Kinye.
Everything is ruined.
Hey?
Ruined.
Is what? So you're wiping it off your clothes?
Oh.
Oh, I think it's stinky. Oh my god, Tshiri, to seize. Ew, on your clothes.
Ew. That's so not good.
Hey?
Not good.
It's not good.
No.
Oh.
What is this?
Eh?
What is this?
What?
Anything.
So what you going to do now?
Eh?
What you going to do now?
Eh?
What you going to do now?
My clothes.
Oh my god. So uphule makaka mo.
Eh?
Oh, what's here? Aren't you supposed to be washing your hands?
I forgot.
You forgot what?
My head is stuck. But it's stuck.
Oh, okay, mommy. Let mommy help you. Look.
Macaque.
Eh?
Macaque.
Kig.
Macaca.
Amang.
Yeah.
Makakamang.
Macaque.
Amang. Look. Taste makaka.
That's not. I don't like to taste. Pop.
Taste makaka. It's not makaka, it's peanut butter. It's peanut butter taste. It's peanut butter. It's peanut butter today. Taste. It's peanut butter. Taste. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Saturday. I'm having my what do you call it? Organic water from the Magic Diet. This is my second cup. The water is not nice at all. So today's Saturday. I've got quite a few things to do. First of all, I need to go grocery shopping. I've got to do the birthday girl's makeup, and then I'm off to the birthday dinner. Today I don't want to talk much. Let me just do what I need to do, and that is that. So I'm gonna just finish drinking my water. I'm also cooking porridge for Tshiri. Then I'm gonna take a bath and go do the grocery shopping. Oh God. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are at Palace's 31st dinner party.
Birthday celebration.
Yes, say hi.
Hi.
Lena guy try herself. Ooh, so today was a mess of a day. Everything was late. Nothing went according to plan. But anyway, everything is God's plan. So the
What's going on in the room? Oh,
look,
so
come see. Wow, come see. What's that?
a fish.
It's so big, right? Let's go.
See,
What's that? It's a bird. It's a bird. Let's go. You know the what? A monkey. Nobody calls you a monkey, so why you say you're not a monkey?
You see the monkey
Where?
there.
A monkey?
Yes.
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So, yesterday,
Look at mom is there too.
yesterday, I left you guys
Let me see.
in the middle of nowhere at the
Mommy?
party. My battery went low. Yesterday was just a mess of a
Let
day.
me
So
see. You can
yeah.
turn up.
So today, me and Tshiri are out. It's such a beautiful day. Here's Tshiri. You want to say hi?
Yes.
Say
This
hi.
is picture. I want to post a picture.
So what's wrong with my lashes? No picture. What's wrong with my lashes? Anyway, so we are at the Monkey and Bird Park in Benoni in Rhinefield. We're here for the day. Such a beautiful day
This
today.
guy's food.
This is Rhinefield, yeah. So it's such a beautiful day today. Like, so I didn't want to waste it being indoors and bored and being lazy in the house. So I decided that we're gonna do something together, just the two of us. So guys, let me tell you, yesterday I told myself, you know what, when I get to the birthday party, I'm going to not cheat. Like, I don't want to cheat with maybe one item. It's either I'm going to have carbs, alcohol,
It's a very
or like
food.
normal meat, or sugar. Yeah, sugar. Let me say that. I cheated with everything. I had a glass of sparkling wine. I had some carbs. I had steak. I had cake. Like, I had everything. So yesterday I cheated. So today is strictly water. Nothing else. Even though kekhaletse savana, guys, like kekhaletse savana. But literally today is just water. Right here, mommy's drinking water only today. And what are you drinking?
Oh gosh.
What are you drinking?
Oh gosh.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Oh.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Guys, Terry literally says hi to everybody he meets. And some people don't like to say hi. Like, some people are not freaky. But he says hi to everybody. So me and Terry have ordered food. Well, Terry's ordered food. I'm not eating anything. It's just water for me. Water for the
Yes.
girl.
Oh gosh.
It is just water for the girl.
Hi.
Ba mshabile ka bomb. Ke ba le ba tsamaya. Ba mshabile ka bomb. Tsire, ba mshabile ka bomb.
Lapang.
That's peace, no?
Eh? Can I ask this?
Kiss a mama, Shem. Sorry, ne? Kiss a mama. Mo. 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 Kiss a mama. Kiss a mama. Guy. You kiss a guy.
Kiss my hands.
Oh, okay. And your lips?
My set is there.
Hey?
Is there.
What?
My senses.
Your senses?
Yes.
Oh, on your tongue?
Yes.
What can you do? You can taste. His lunch. Tshiri's having his lunch, and then we're off to see the animals. I'm not eating anything. My water's finished. My water's finished.
Water's finished.
Yes. Can you buy me another one, please? You wanna buy me another one? No. Okay. Finish eating, ne?
Yes. I'm going to buy.
Just someone adimunat. I've had it before, and adimunat, like literally adimunat, and there's only one. Water. Can you see the tiger? Guys, so now there's a tiger here. When I first came here, I've been here like twice, there was no tiger. So now there's a tiger. It's a white tiger. So cool. Isn't it cool, Tshiri?
Yes.
It looks like it's ready to eat somebody actually. It's just walking around. Here, monkey. Hello.
Hi. Monkey.
Aww. He took. Where's another one?
Thank you. Wow. Look. Another monkey.
Another monkey.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone, Mama.
He's gone. Oh, are you hungry?
Monkey? It's going inside there. It's going. You go catch it.
I must catch it.
Yes.
Oh, you want me to touch it?
Yes.
Oh, let me touch.
Eh?
Let me touch it.
Eh?
Let me touch it.
It's bam bam.
Hey?
It's bam bam.
Look, I'm touching it. Oh, hello. Hello. Can I touch here?
Yes.
And here? He's scared. Hello. It's so hard, right? It's hard like a rock. Coco.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Okay, it's going.
I'm pushing it.
Look. Oh, look at that. We can see the head. Like, they're so huge, guys. Like, they are huge. Oh my god. They've grown since the last time we've been here. They were not this big.
I'm taking a picture.
No, I'm taking a video.
Video?
Yes, show the YouTube channel. What's that? Tell the YouTube channel what that is.
What is
Look,
that?
this one. Oh,
What is this? That?
hey guys, so I'm basically here to just close off this video. If you did watch till here, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and comment. Let me know, what do you think of this place. Definitely think you should bring your kids here. It's really nice and chilled. It's not a lot to do, so it doesn't overwhelm the kids as in compared to going to a bigger zoo. So I like this place. It's very small. The kids don't get tired from walking around. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and yeah, please do not leave without subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.